The Florida Department of Transportation is building a new interchange between I-4 and Daryl Parkway and improving the interchange between I-4 and Sand Lake Road. The focus of these projects is to improve mobility and safety in both areas. Daryl Parkway crosses over I-4 between Central Florida Parkway and State Road 535, Apopka-Vineland Road. It also connects Palm Parkway with the south part of International Drive, but there is currently no access to I-4. Daryl Parkway will become a diverging diamond interchange with new ramps to and from eastbound I-4 and an exit ramp from westbound I-4. There will be no access from Daryl Parkway to westbound I-4 at this time. This configuration is an interim step, with the full interchange being completed with a future project. This is how a diverging diamond works. As traffic on the local road approaches the interstate, it switches sides at a traffic signal. After traveling over or under the interstate, traffic switches back at another traffic signal. By moving traffic to the other side of the road, the DDI eliminates the need for left turns across oncoming traffic. It also reduces the number of traffic light phases, allowing more cars to travel through the interchange. And when exiting the interstate onto the local road, drivers are able to make right turns and left turns easily, as you can see here. DDIs also reduce the number of conflict points or places where vehicles cross paths. To learn more about I-4 Beyond the Ultimate and the improvements that are being planned, visit i4beyond.com. The website features interactive maps, 3D animations, construction timelines, and more to help you understand and stay up to date on design and construction.